So bakit nga ba siya sinampahan ng impeachment complaint? Well, ayon sa kanilang mga final na complaint is on the grounds of betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, and other high crimes.
Ang ina ninyong lahat.
Lutong dun ha. May vice presidente palang gano'n. Ano yun? Pero ano bang exactly yung mga yon, di ba? Meron tayong, huwag kayong mag-alala, meron tayong list dito. Basahin natin. Article 1. Duterte's supposed failure to account for 125 million in confidential funds of the OVP. Article 2. Duterte's supposed failure to account for another 150 million and 500 million confidential in intelligence funds. Article 3. Squandering of 2.75 billion in secret funds during the first year of the law. Article 5. Colonel requests a total of 600 million in secret funds for her office for 2024. Article 6. The 12 billion in allowance schedules donated by the court. Article 7. The 7 billion in unliquidated cash advances she left the deaf and will. I-scroll ko na kasi fast forward na natin. Okay. Article 24. Duterte's admission that she asked an assassin to kill the President Marcos, First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos, and the Speaker Martin Romualdez if she will be killed. So, maikling listahan.